Good morning to one and all. My name is Sohit from ECED section, roll number J8. Today my topic is about multi-touch technology. Introduction. We not only see touch technology in science fiction movies, but also in real life across thousands of businesses that focus on customer engagement. Technological progress allows more and more inventions to occur that open a new world of possibilities for all types of businesses, creating a link with people around the world to make connections easily and hence developing strong bondage between them. Electronic devices like cell phones, trackpads, and laptops have become ingrained in our daily lives. The physical keyboard in these devices was replaced by the sleek touchscreen. This technology was initiated with the capacitive touchscreen used in air traffic control and not by people, invented by E.A. Johnson around 1965 to 67 at Royal Radar Establishment, UK, followed by resistive touchscreen invented by George Samuel Hurst in 1982. Later, Apple introduced its Newton Personal Digital Assistant, that is PDA, with handwriting recognition in the 1990s, while IBM released Simon, the first smartphone with a touchscreen interface. In 1996, Palm released its Pilot series with advanced touchscreen technology. In 2002, Microsoft entered the touch technology sphere by introducing Windows XP Tablet Edition, and in 2007, Apple introduced its iPhone with a touchscreen. Multi-touch technology. As human needs are wide, the single user, single touch did not offer much in terms of flexibility and expansion into more command inputs. This led to the invention of multi-touch user touchscreens. We already enjoy the benefits of multi-touch technology built in traditional touchscreens designs in smartphones, tablets, and other touch-enabled human-machine interfaces, that is HMIs. However, the multi-touch application in smartphones and tablets has replaced a keyboard and a mouse to access different screens. Multi-user multi-touch is a highly initiative technology that enables a trackpad or touchscreen to simultaneously sense the presence of more than two concurrent points of contact with the surface. This has a profound impact on end users, panel operators, engineers, managers, purchasers, executives, and other decision makers. With this interaction technique, users can control graphical applications using several fingers, and one or more users can interact with computer applications through various gestures created by fingers on a surface without affecting other users. The multifaceted experience can be created by simultaneously opening different pop-ups, which encourages greater engagement, sales, or training. This versatility enriches the technology for more immediate interaction between the computer and users. Multi-touch devices are stronger than dual-touch devices, but are also expensive because the technology has to support several concurrent contact points, and it also has to sense each touch in today's market. Implementing the multi-touch display for multi-users will enhance customer experiences and thus enable entrepreneurs to make strategic business decisions. Classification of multi-touch technology. There are four types of touch panels types in regular use: resistive, optical imaging, projective captive, infrared. Below, we will dig into their specifics. which include their advantages, disadvantages, and real life product applications. Resistive touch. Resistive touch panels are cost effective variants that detect commands by way of pressure placed on the screen. This pressure sensitivity is generally limited to single point touch with a 20-inch maximum screen, which is fine for many usage cases. These range from stylus to fingertips. As a result, if used correctly, resistive touch panels will remain functional even if a water drop has landed on the screen. Optical imaging touch. Light and the disruption thereof is not just a great way to produce a shadow, but also to design a touch panel type to take advantage of this principle. Optical imaging touch panels are designed to sense touch through infrared cameras and the disruption of light strips. This can be achieved through any input you want across the 100-inch maximum size from gloves to bare hands and beyond. Projective captive touch. By way of their electrical based touch detection, projected captive touch panels are known for their high precision and high speed response times. What's more is that they possess multi touch functionality and can be used within small, compact, yet expensive devices due to their underlying technology. It has proven challenging to scale up to larger sizes. IR, that is infrared touch. Infrared type touchscreens monitors do, do not overlay the display with an additional screen or screen sandwich. Instead, infrared monitors uses IR emitters and receivers to create an invisible grid of light beams across the screen. This ensures the best possible image quality when an object interrupts the invisible infrared light beam. The sensors are able to locate the touch point. The X and Y coordinates are then sent to the controller. Single user versus multi-users. A single user using single, that is, for example, ATM or dual touch on a smartphone, like selecting an icon, typing a letter, or using two fingers to zoom in or out, is an attractive digital trend compared to the traditional keypad phone. Single user versus multi-users is again, this classic touchscreen has two limitations. Only a single user is allowed at a time due to single input command, and it is limited based on a scale, that is cost of touchscreen increases as size of the screen increases. Thank you.